Hey guys, here I am with another video, and today I'm going to be talking about two amazing products from the Jackie's Curls and Coils line. And this is the Also Clean Moisturizing Softening Shampoo and the In Control Softening Conditioner. Both these products are moisturizing, so that is why I was so excited when I got them, because I do suffer from low porosity, so anything that's moisturizing my hair will love. So keep on watching to see how I achieve amazing moisturized curls. So I am going to be showing you how I use the Also Clean Moisturizing and Softening Shampoo. This is the second time I use this shampoo and I am in love with it. This scent is amazing. It's not overpowering, so it will not cause a headache. So the first thing I'm going to do, I am going to make sure my hair is saturated with water. Okay guys, once I have saturated my hair with water, I am going to go ahead and apply a very generous amount of the moisturizing and softening shampoo. And then I'm going to start and scrubbing my scalp. Make sure to not use your nails because you do not want to cut your scalp. So I like to kind of like scalp massage all over my scalp and make sure it's very clean. And I do like to apply more water to make sure it lathers correctly. Just keep in mind, I do this in the shower, and this is just for the purpose of the video. And once I am done scrubbing with the Also Clean, I make sure to rinse. Make sure you rinse before you condition. Once I make sure the Also Clean is completely rinsed off from my hair, I am going to start applying the In Control Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. I love this thing and it smells amazing. The consistency is not thick and it will dissolve right away on your fingers. So once I start applying this to my hair, I realized it has an amazing slip. So it's just kind of like buttery, it just kind of slides through my hair, and that's amazing because it will not weight your hair down. You can use this as a co-wash. So it's a conditioner and a co-wash. Oh, like I said, it smells so good. I like to focus any type of conditioner on my ends because that is what tends to be more dry in need of moisture. I did use the In Control softening conditioner as a kind of like mini deep conditioner, and I only used it for 10 minutes and then I completely rinsed off. Once you have rinsed off the conditioner from your hair, you can style as desired with any products you guys want. Okay guys, and one of the reasons why I love this line so much, it's because the Also Clean helps you restore a healthy moisture balance. And the In Control Softening Conditioner is a reconstructive conditioning treatment that will help you give vibrancy to dehydrated, brittle, dull, dry looking hair and softens for easier styling. Both these products can be found at www.jackiescurlsandcoils.com. This was all for today guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Have a great day.